Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, GMT plus 2 times, 7:10 a.m., 24th of May, 2021. So this is the Nasdaq chart. On this platform, they refer to it as the US Tech 100. It's the Nasdaq futures. And on Friday, you can see we had a very nice climb. This is the 5-minute chart, and this is Friday. Started at 12 p.m. The climbing started, and then just before the US markets closed, it came down a bit. Now, if you've watched the previous videos, you would have seen that I did predict that the price would come down a bit to fetch the 200-hour, 15-minute chart, 200-hour moving average, and that is precisely what it did. This morning, on the 24th, I'm just going to make this a bit wider, you can see the price jumped right down. So if someone did have a buy open here, they would have got a bit of a fright because the price jumped by 150 points, and then it steadily started climbing again. And we're watching this live now at 7 a.m. GMT plus 2. So this is the 5-minute chart, climbed nicely on Friday. Our buy price is way down here. If you've been watching the video, you would have watched me opening the buy at 13,032.82 price. Let's go and have it. It's still doing nicely on a profit. Let's have a look at the 15-minute chart. It's what I spoke about on the last video, that the price, I expected the price to decline to fetch this 200-hour moving average line on the 15-minute chart. And that's precisely what it's done. I'm not overconfident that it's not going to carry on pulling down. I just predicted that this would happen, but I'm not God. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, so I am placing my bet that the price is going to continue going up, and this is where I placed my buy on the 19th of May, just before the US FOMC minutes were released. Okay, that's the 15-minute chart. It has pulled the 200-hour up nicely. It's still trying to pull it up more. If we have a look at the 30-minute chart, this is a live trading chart. It's busy trading as we speak. It's trying to pull up. It's always trying to pull up or pull down the moving averages. So this is where it dived a bit this morning. The price took a dive. I believe it's because investors knew they have to go and fetch the moving averages. Other people don't necessarily agree with me, but in my experience of trading, that is what price action does. Okay, 1-hour chart. So this was the nice move from the 19th of May when I opened the buy. This is my buy line, and the price started climbing. Came down on Friday afternoon or Friday evening, GMT time, and this morning it's plunged a bit and it's trying to pull these moving averages up. Okay, we can go all the way through the hour charts, 2-hour chart, also pulling down, pushing up. Buyers and sellers are doing their thing, but ultimately I believe the price is going to go up. You can see where it came down this morning. It's already bought past the close on Friday. So it's already gone up above the close on Friday. This was a spike, pulled it down. So like I say, you never know what the price is going to do. It could pull that 1400-hour all the way back through here and wipe out all the profits that were made on the 20th of May. It's not what I've bet is going to happen, but it could happen. 4-hour chart. On this chart, in my view, it's trying to push that 14-hour up and through. It's the buy price. We bought here on the 19th of May. It did dip before that, and that's what I based my decision on as to where to buy. You'll remember on the other trading platform that I use, I bought here. So on this platform, I bought at this price, and on the other platform, I bought when it hits right at the bottom. So I've got another buy on another platform, and I'm believing and hoping that it's going to pull the 14-hour average through up above. That's its target for now. The 200-hour moving average on the 4-hour chart. You can see this is a live chart we're showing. It's busy, the price is changing. And then the 1-day chart. So interesting. The 1-day chart, my buy price is here, and it's busy. The price is busy moving in these moving averages. You can see how the price came down for quite a few days, a week and more, and we bought here with my belief that it's pulling this 200-hour moving average up, 200-day, this is the day chart, to pull the price up and through. Okay, then the 1-week chart. It's always a bit scary to look at because these moving averages are way down here. So there is a chance, there are some people, some analysts predicting that the price is going to fall way down here. I don't agree with them. Not sure who's going to be right. And obviously I've based my bet on the reopening with the pandemic recovery and the infrastructure deal and the economic data that I watch, the data releases. So I'm not just betting blindly. I am a bit worried about these moving averages because ideally I'd like them to be together like this. But I'm basing my decision on other economic factors and the reopening of the pandemic, after the pandemic. Okay, so I'll pick up with you again a bit later when price action starts moving, perhaps only in the US session, which is still in about 8 or 9 hours' time. I'll see you later.